how to make your lips lush and kissable. Women love their lipsticks, but there's nothing that ruins a pretty lip color more than dry, dull lips. As with any area of your face, keeping your lips looking gorgeous completes that perfect look. Our beauty guide on how to make your lips look lush and kissable will help you achieve lips that'll make your smile even more attractive. 1. Set a good foundation. If you have dry, flaky lips, no amount of lip gloss or lipstick can make them look great. Prep your lips for your favorite lip gloss by first exfoliating to remove dead skin that make your lips appear dry and dull. To do this, make your own lip scrub by mixing together 1 teaspoon of sugar with an equal amount of honey. Then, moisten your lips with lukewarm water. Take a bit of the scrub and apply gently over your lips in a circular motion using your fingertips. Rinse well with lukewarm water. Check if any chapped areas are still present, and repeat the scrubbing if needed and rinse again. 2. Apply a moisturizing serum. A lip serum has powerful moisturizing and softening properties and can help you maintain lush lips. To make a homemade lip serum, mix a little honey with aloe extract and olive oil. Rub some onto your lips, and allow it to remain for 10 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. You'll notice that your lips look and feel softer afterward. 3. Moisturize every day. To maintain the effects of the exfoliating scrub and serum, you have to give your lips the moisture they need every day. Dab on some lip balm or lip gloss, but make sure to choose one with natural moisturizing ingredients like shea butter and seed oils. Petroleum-based lip balms may work, but they tend to make your lips drier after some time. Aside from this, make sure to drink 8 glasses or more of water a day. Your lips need internal hydration too. 4. Try natural lip plumpers. For noticeably kissable lip, adding some plumpness may instantly help. A number of natural substances can increase circulation to the lips and make them look more lush and full. There are easy-to-make formulations that you can whip up at home. Simply choose from 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch or 2 of cayenne pepper, or 5 drops of peppermint oil to add to 1/2 teaspoon of olive or coconut oil. Dab the mixture onto your lips and let stand for a while. You will notice a tingling sensation, which means that the blood flow to your lips has increased, which translates to a plumper and lusher appearance. 5. Choose your lipsticks well. Both the color and texture of your lipstick affects how lush your lips look. When choosing a lip color, look for colors that complement the temperature of your complexion. If you look better in earthy tones or yellows and reds, your complexion is warm. Lipstick colors that suit you would be brown, orange red, and other ones with warm undertones. If your skin tone favors navy blue, jewel tones or silver jewelry, your complexion is said to be cool. Go for lip colors cooler in shade, like plums, reds, and pinks. You also have to consider the texture of your lipstick. Matte textures tone down the size of your lips, while glossy and shiny textures make your lips look plumper. This is why lip gloss is an ideal finish when putting on lipstick, since it attracts more light and tends to make your lips look more moist and kissable. These tips on how to make your lips look lush and kissable will instantly beautify initially dull lips. A final tip would be to understand certain things can darken the lips, like tobacco use or sun exposure. For example, try to avoid these to keep your lips healthy and easier to beautify. Follow these tips to enjoy gorgeous kissable lips in no time at all. Visit Billihealth.com to know more about how to make your lips look lush and kissable.